data for just €5 a month. Only on Vodafone Pay as you go.
Are you red carpet ready?
New Superstar Red Carpet style by L'Oreal. Superstar 1. Primer. Volumizers. 2. Jet black fibers.
Toby.
And set for a camera-ready finish. New Superstar Red Carpet by L'Oreal makeup designer Paris.
Looking for adventure?
Happiness.
It's a billboard on the side of the road. Screens, reassurance, whatever you do.
It's your year, baby.
Well, that's terrific news.
Looking for a guy who can set the edge for you? Now my dreams are about mules and mountains.
How you running?
I like sitting up here looking down at everybody.
They just offered me $4 million.
Yes.
It's turning out to be a lot cooler than I expected.
Enjoy the thrill of these big city shows. Available now with Sky box sets.
You find the kingdom of God in your heart. They're not gonna stop. Decide to go after him.
Thanks for that.
Confess your sins.
Brand new Ray Donovan. Starts Monday, 4th of July at 9. Exclusively on Sky Atlantic.
Slipping up, it sounds pretty disgusting to me, but the lovely Holly's got a point to prove in Duckworth Stone Echo on Sky One.
Welcome to Duckworth Stone Echo. This is a show about unbelievable facts that you've all certainly never heard before. Each of my guests bring their favourite facts to the table. So let's see who's on today's show. An interesting fact about my first guest is that as a keen gamer, he admits to owning both a PlayStation and an Xbox. I've got neither, by the way. I have something called a social life. Please welcome Dara Breen. An unusual fact about my next guest is that whenever she buys a new pair of shoes, she has a rule before she wears them outside, she has to wear them while having sex. I think we can guess why her husband gets her every birthday and Christmas. Please welcome Holly Willoughby. Is it true? An unusual fact about my final guest, and this is honestly true, is that whilst at university he was approached by MI5 with a view to being recruited, which coincidentally also happened to me. Well, MI5. Please welcome Hugh Dennis. Okay, let's get started. For our first round, each of the guests have brought in their favourite facts, and we have to decide whose is best. It's time for Fact Off. So, Dara, you're up first. Let's hear your fact.
My fact is simply this. People are more likely to believe a statement is true if it rhymes.
Please state in time saves nine.
That's a good question.
Yes, is that true?
No, it doesn't matter whether it's true or not. That's the whole thing. It doesn't matter whether it's true or not. People are more likely to believe it's true if it rhymes.
Is it because you're more likely to remember it?
That helps. That feels more honest.
Yes.
It isn't. I mean, it isn't just sort of sayings. It's statements. Statements as well. I think. Criminals going. If you were a criminal giving a statement in a police station.
If you did it right.
If you did it in rhyme. I didn't do the nasty crime. I was at home at 9:30. Yes.
The Roger Simpsons had a very famous moment where they put these gloves on and the gloves were too small. And so his lawyer kept saying, if the gloves don't fit, you must acquit. If the gloves about to quit, you must acquit. And that was one that everyone remembered.
Would have been awkward if they'd have forgotten though, and they'd have gone into the thing to decide and gone, no, was it look, don't fit, eat, one or the other, I know that.
People prefer the information of that, and if you hit them with like a family that prays together, sings together, Red Sky at Night, you know, whatever that is.
Yeah, well that's a good example I suppose, because if you said that, if you said, I can see what Dara says, if you said red sky at night, wake up tomorrow morning, the shepherd would be really happy. Doesn't sound right. If you've got red sky at night, shepherd to be like, sounds true. Immediately sounds more plausible, doesn't it?
Red sky at night, temperature light, red sky in the morning, global warming.
I believe you now, because you've been right. Yeah, so it sounds believable.
The shepherd isn't going to be delighted anyway, is it? He goes, oh, it's a red sky, I'm delighted. Shepherd's still like that.
I don't trust anybody that works with sheep that's constantly looking